This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about pepper grinders, specifically these classic French pepper mills. We have it in the soft touch finish gray and the high gloss red. It's also available in a high gloss black option. And these add a beautiful touch, that nice finishing detail to your decor, whether you're at a home or in a restaurant setting. They're also available in two sizes. You can see our red is the 6-inch and our gray is the 7.5-inch, meaning you have some different options to go with. They're a high quality wood, which makes for a really durable design. They also have a ceramic grinding mechanism to give you consistent grinding that can withstand heavy use of a restaurant environment. You have a knob on the top to easily adjust the grinds from fine to coarse. And this gives you a great aromatic way that's visually pleasing to finish dishes for your guests at the tableside.